Just-in-time. Welcome to our video about the just-in-time. This is a revolutionary way of doing business that's all about efficiency, effectiveness, and elimination of waste. Just-in-time, or JIT, is a production strategy aimed at producing the right item, in the right quantity, at the right time. It's all about efficiency, not just in production, but across the entire supply chain. The concept originated in Japan, during the post-World War II era. Toyota, the automobile giant, was the first to implement this strategy, revolutionizing the automotive industry, and since then, it's been adopted by businesses worldwide. The JIT concept is grounded in two main principles. Firstly, it aims to eliminate waste, meaning any activity that doesn't add value to the end product. This includes wasted time, effort, and resources. Secondly, it aims to improve quality. With JIT, products are made just in time to be sold, which means less time in storage and less chance of damage or deterioration. This results in higher quality products for the end consumer. One of the key aspects of JIT is the close relationship with suppliers. Suppliers must be able to deliver the right materials, at the right time, in the right quantity. This requires a high level of trust and coordination. Another crucial aspect of JIT is the use of Kanban or signaling systems. These are visual cues that trigger the production process, ensuring that products are only made when they are needed. However, JIT isn't just about production. It also extends to areas like inventory management, where the goal is to have just enough inventory to meet demand, but not so much that it leads to waste. Furthermore, JIT is about continuous improvement. It's not a one-time thing, but a way of doing business that requires constant evaluation and adjustment. It's about always seeking to do things better, faster, and more efficiently. While JIT has many benefits, it's not without challenges. It requires a high level of coordination and trust among all players in the supply chain. Plus, it can be risky if there are disruptions in the supply chain. Despite these challenges, the benefits of JIT are significant. It can lead to cost savings, improved quality, and increased customer satisfaction. Plus, it's a sustainable way of doing business that reduces waste and respects our planet's resources. Whether you're a small business owner or a manager at a multinational corporation, the JIT concept has something to offer. It's a proven strategy that can help your business become more efficient, effective, and competitive. So, ready to embrace the JIT concept? Start by looking at your own business processes. Identify areas of waste, improve supplier relationships, and strive for continuous improvement. Remember, JIT is not just a strategy, but a way of doing business. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the just-in-time lean concept and how it can benefit your business. Stay tuned for more informative videos like this one, and remember, it's all about efficiency, effectiveness, and elimination of waste.